Good afternoon, this is EMS Automotive, manufacturers of sheet metal for Fords 1935 to 1958. Today we are going to talk about running boards for Fords 1935 through 1938 and 41 to 48 Ford. EMS manufactures its own running boards. We make them out of 16 gauge steel. And as you can see here on the table, we only have one side. These are all heavy 16 gauge at .065 material. These are steel smoothie running boards, and with the, you can paint them, you can put the rubber on them from your favorite rubber supplier, or put your little custom pads, or guys do all kinds of great ideas on your running board. Right here what we have is a 1935-36 running board, 16 gauge steel, made in Detroit in EMS's own factories. Want you to notice that we got the holes put in there, slots in there, cutouts that you need, all quality manufactured by EMS in Detroit. 1935, 1936, fits all the body styles, coupes, two-door sedans, sedan deliveries, things like that. Out front we have the 1937, 38, and some 39 standards maybe. Same thing, 16 gauge, all made in America. And we do not make a 3940 because right now that's extremely complex. Jumping to 1941 to 48. Now there are two running boards for those years. There is a 41 only running board, which is this one, and here again you can see it's 16 gauge, got your holes where you need to, got your cutouts. The 41 running board has a nose on it like this. It wraps around the fender a little bit, and it's a little bit wider. It sticks out from the door, giving the traditional running board look that they wanted in 1941. Now jumping into 1942 to 48, there was a change in the front end and a change in the fenders. This is your 42 to 48 running board. Now I also want you to remember this, to look at this. We have the arc into it. See how this thing rocks? This is not straight, okay, like some of your cheap Chinese or eBay scammers or anybody that's going to try and fake you out. This is die stamped, so you have that curve to it, which is what it's supposed to have. Done in EMS in our own tooling, in our own factories, designed by us. Okay, and it's the same with this one too. Okay, everything's done here. Here again, this is your 41. It has a little bit longer nose and it's a little bit wider because it sticks out past the door, gives it a running board look. That's the way it was designed. This is your 42 to 48 again, and it's underneath the door, stock. The way it's going to give you the stock look. Now, when you buy from EMS, you're going to understand that EMS always labels its products. Okay, so if you buy from a reseller, make sure it says EMS, otherwise you're getting imitation counterfeit parts. You can always buy from us direct from our website. Call us up on the phone. We're happy to take your order. You can order on the web. We got websites of different types, phone apps, whatever you need. EMS Automotive.